Hello everyone, good morning. My name is Dhole Pallavi and our today's Viva topic name is string in Java and explain the some method which is mentioned in string. So firstly we will see what is meant by string. So string is a collection of character and it gives the sequence of character one by one. Then string classes are implements the serializable compatible or character sequence means it gives a sequence of character. And then string, suppose we want to create a string, then we use the three main classes which is named as string builder class, string buffer class, or simple string. Then string is immutable because we cannot change the value of string, that's why string is mutable. When we create a string is mutable, then we create a string with the help of string builder and string buffer. And then string have lots of method. Then first we will see one by one. Firstly, concat method mentioned in the string. What is use of concat method and how it's used in our programming language. So firstly, concat method concat the two substring and make a one string. And then suppose we want to only single string with the help of two substring, then that time we use the concat string. It's use sysout s1 dot. Suppose we have a s1 is string s1 is equal to welcome, and then s2 is equal to in our class. Then we can print write a statement sysout s1 dot concat s2. Then our string is created welcome to in our Java programming, made a one big string. Then next method is index of. With the help of index method we can achieve the value of index, and we can achieve the index number with the help of index method. Then next is compare to method. Compare to method also including in string classes. So with the help of compare to string we can compare two string at a time. uh, Firstly they check the length of string, and then it suppose length having same, then it's print the output 0. Then length having different, then print the minus length something. And next method is is empty method. Suppose uh, our string is blank, then it produce and it gives the output empty string. That time we use empty is empty method. Next method is content of method. How use content of method and what are the use of content of method. Content of method, suppose we have two string, and if you want to check the content of methods of our strings, then we use the content of method. uh, Content of method gives the content of our string. Then next one is to uppercase. Suppose our string is lowercase, then with the help of uppercase method we can convert to lowercase string into the uppercase. Then next one is lowercase to lowercase. Suppose I have a string and that is in the uppercase. Suppose I want to this string in lowercase, that time I use to lowercase method. Then lowercase method, with the help of lowercase method we can easily convert it to uppercase, to our string uppercase to the lowercase. Then next one is substring. Suppose substring, whenever we use the substring method, suppose in a specific sentences we we have we want to some specific time on a index, there that time we use the substring method. Then next method is uh, next method is compare to method. Compare to method is used to compare us to two string and give the value of this string. Then next one is blank method. Is blank method is used to whenever our string is blank means one space having in there, that time is blank method is working on it. That's all method mentioned in a Java string class. Thank you so much.